then we know the reason why we advise you to add gum, better gum in your Tyrolean wall. You see the reason why we always advise you to add acrylic in your paint. You see this thing now? This thing now is Tyrolean. Do you understand? You see Tyrolean? This is Tyrolean. You can see it. This is Tyrolean. You can see Tyrolean. Is there not enough cement here? Is there not enough cement? Cement is here. For those mumu learners that doesn't know anything, look at this is. You see it? You see it? This job is not up to 3 months that they did this job. And you know, some people will say that the wall is this and the wall is that. The wall is perfect. The wall is plastered very well. It has not been painted, because some people might say it's a painted wall that you need to scrape, you need to do that. The wall is very rough, as a normal for Tyrolean wall finish. Do you understand? So most times when we advise you people, or maybe when we give you some secrets, some will come back and fight us. I don't know if maybe because we are exposing the job, or I don't know, because some people calls me and insult me why I will introduce a acrylic in a Tyrolean wall, that he has done the job for 100 years and 50 years. He has not seen a bad sand. There are some sands, both sharp sand, whatever you can use. Do you understand? Depending on where you are, the wall might not last. The work will not last for a very long time. Do you understand? But when you introduce this acrylic, when you introduce it, it will increase the strength of the product. Do you understand? It will help the cement to bind very well. It would to bind very well and last, if possible, forever. You see this work now is puffing, as in, if you look at this job, you will see the binding is not that accurate, it's not perfect. So you need something like this what they call it, acrylic, to increase it. Do you understand? If you say you keep on increasing the cement, understand, because what we are doing here now, we increase more cement, which is, it will take more cement. And another thing I will advise you people is that if you are the kind of person that does very thick Tyrolean, you see this one, light and perfect. If you do this very thick, you are adding more load on the wall. Do you understand? It will cost more materials, and it will have a lot of loads, and these loads might affect it in the future. You see the job we are doing here. You see the finishing we are giving this job. You see the finishing. You might even think that it's a travertino. Do you understand? You will think that it's travertino. So when we advise people on how you can improve the quality of what you are doing, the integrity of what you are doing, you don't need to call us names. You don't lose anything. You will not lose anything when you do those things. You are not going to lose anything. So you understand? You are not going to, if you fail to learn, you will learn in the hard way. Do you understand? You can see this thing you are seeing that is happening here now. There's enough cement here. There's cement. You understand? There's cement. But just that they have some issue with the sand. And the sand they use is the sand they're supposed to use. But there's a little challenge here which they need to correct. But their experience is not up to that. But assuming they added acrylic, the wall cannot suffer this. So when you need a good person that can do a Tyrolean wall finish for you, if you are in eastern part of Nigeria, you can call this number on the screen, 08039316369. Do you understand? Or 08103871 will give you the best. Thank you for watching. Thanks.